Hello, my Sassville Beans. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another weekly vlog. This is gonna be rather exciting vlog because I am going on a trip. When and where you will know if you follow me on my Instagram, because by the time I post this video I might already be on the trip, or I might have even come back, depends on how fast I edit the vlog. I will pop my Instagram handle somewhere here on the screen as well as in the description. So make sure you follow me there because I'm going to be posting real time stories on my Instagram. Which also reminds me, if you're watching this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It's free. Come on. I will wait for you to subscribe. Now that you have, let's get into the video. So this video is basically gonna be me prepping for the trip. So I'm gonna be giving you a huge haul of all the things that I've gotten. I've also posted a jewelry haul on my YouTube shorts, so if you haven't watched it, I will link it somewhere here. And I've also gotten a bunch of clothes, a bunch of footwear, so I'm going to be showing you that in my haul section. Apart from that, I'm also planning to color my hair, get my nails done, get a facial, all the girly things. So without any further delay, let's get started. I will first start with the haul. So now I'm going to show you all the clothes that I've gotten, which I'm going to be carrying for the trip. Starting first with these denim shorts. These are nothing crazy, just classic denim shorts. I didn't want to go with a ripped one because I already have a ripped shorts in light blue color, so I just wanted something very really basic. Next, I have been seeing this pinstripe print going all over Pinterest, so I had to get something in that. So I went with these trousers. These are like full length, white and blue striped trousers, and it has this double waist thingy, which was also trendy. Apart from that, I did go a little overboard with the pinstripe trend and got myself this pink pair of shorts, and I also got it in this blue color. Guilty agree. It also comes with the same matching waistcoat. You'll know where I wear it in the vlog, so that is okay. Then I got two oversized t-shirts. One is this bright yellow color and it has the sunflower print on it, and rest it's all plain. It's super oversized. The sleeves are also oversized. Exactly what I was looking for. Again, is this comfy dark gray charcoal blackish t-shirt. It has this bow print here. It has 23 written on it. Nothing crazy, just a basic oversized t-shirt. Now we start with the exciting and the trendy part. So you remember how that mermaid skirt was going all over Instagram and Pinterest, and every other girl on the beach was wearing it. I also got one. Look at the sound it makes. I love it. And this was so difficult to find. I literally spent like 2 days just to find the skirt, and it was not in my size. It was a little oversized and it was the last one in stock, and I could not find it anywhere else. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get it. I will figure it out. I will alter it. I will do something, but I need to have this in my wardrobe. And just look at it. It's so pretty. It looks so pretty when I wear it. And luckily, I don't know if this is a UK US size issue or something, but this fits me perfectly. I didn't have to do anything. So super happy with this. On top of it, if you have been following this trend, you know what top people are wearing on this. Even I got the same one, this beautiful baby pink color, and it has these rhinestones randomly on the entire top. It's like a tank top, and I earlier had ordered butter yellow color in this one because I own a lot of pink clothes. Come on, let's accept that. So then I was like, let me go out of my usual color palette, and I went for lemon yellow one, but it was just so pale and so dull. And then I returned it and I got this one instead, and I just love the combination of white and pink. It looks super cute, super girly, super my vibe. Next, I again got a cord set. It's in this olive green color. This is the waistcoat as the top. It has this embroidery thing going on here. Comes with normal pants. These are like full pants. These are wide leg bottoms, and I love the way it looks. It's super comfortable, perfect for visiting temples and all of that. Next is this beautiful maxi dress in this butter yellow color. I am obsessed with this. It looks super pretty on me. It hugs my body in the right places, just flatters my body like anything. It has ruffles going on all over, and it's like a full length maxi dress, and it's a tube dress, and it has this metallic detailing going on. Love it. 10 on 10. Really, I have been influenced by the whole maxi dress trend. So I got another one in this sage green color. It again is this full length dress, and it has this lace detailing in the first half, first top of the dress, and then it it ends here, and then the actual material starts from here, and it just how you have like a scoop neck. It has, I think, a scoop waist. I don't know if that's actually what it's called, but it looks something like this. When I'll wear it, you'll understand how it looks basically. And I think that's it. That's it for all the clothes that I've gotten for the trip. I've posted separate YouTube shorts for jewelry hauls. I might or might not include it in this video, but I think that's it for the haul section right now. I just completed my office work, and now I'm going to color my hair. So basically, right now I'm gonna go work out, and then once I'm back after dinner, I'm gonna be coloring my hair. So there's a little backstory. This I shouldn't be doing probably because my hair is damaged. I mean, it's recovering from the damage. Let me give you a backstory. So basically, I got my hair Botox done 5 to 6 months ago, and it really improved the quality of my hair because my hair was very frizzy and very untamed, and it gave a lot of shine to my hair. It made my hair manageable, but then it led to a lot of hair fall also. So before my Botox, I did not experience a lot of hair fall. It was very minimal, like one or two hair when I used to just wash my hair, and nothing when I used to comb or just put my fingers through my hair, nothing would come off, touch wood. But after I got my Botox done, I was experiencing massive hair fall. Even if I would just run my fingers through my hair, a few strands would come off. That big of an hair fall problem I was facing. And I have worked on it, and now, touch wood, it has been improving. My hair fall has stopped to an extent. I am not there yet. This is not the hair quality that I am aiming for, and I probably shouldn't be doing my hair color right now, but I am getting that itch again to color my hair because I'm going on a trip. So what I decided was to go with a hair tint and not a hair color. My criteria was no bleach because I do not want to bleach my hair. I do not want my hair to get more damaged. Then I searched on YouTube. I did my little research, and I found the concept of hair tints. So I'm going to be using a hair tint to color my hair, and it's a semi-permanent thing, and I'm not going for something crazy because as it does not include bleach, you cannot practically do like crazy colors like blue or pink or green or something like that. And if you know me and if you have been following me on Instagram, I have had green hair since a long time. I had a phase, I had green hair for the longest time. This time, as it is a hair tint, these are like very subtle brown, goldeny colors. So I'm gonna be going with a brownish, goldenish color. I will show you the exact box that I'm gonna be using, and the entire process. I'm going to be coloring my hair at home itself. So I'm going to be taking you along with me, praying that it turns out really good and it does not damage my hair and the color actually shows up on my bare hair, because I'm really unsure about that, because without bleach I'm not sure if the color shows up or not. And I've seen mixed reviews on YouTube. Some people are seeing results but some people are not, so I'm not sure which one, on which team I will be, but hoping for the best. And yeah, we'll see, you will see with me. So let's go. I'm going with the Paradise Glossy Hair Tint in the shade Lovers Latte, and it comes with the color developer, two conditioners, a brush, gloves and all the other necessities. You do not need anything apart from what comes in the box, so you just have to mix the color with the developer and you are good to go. This shade promises to give a golden brownish color, and this is how it looks at room lighting. I'm happy with the brown that it gives, and it does look golden in sunlight, so it's a good to go from my side. Now let's pack, chalo. I like to roll my clothes while packing. It saves me a lot of space and thus allows me to pack a lot more stuff in this one bag. It was genuinely a challenge to fit everything into this one bag, but we somehow managed to do it. Now let's hope I can carry this myself. And the last thing to do was nails, so I just wanted to go for a beachy look but not really colorful. I wanted to go for something neutral, so I showed an exact design that I wanted and she delivered the exact thing. I will show you how it looks. It took her almost 2 hours to do this, but I think it was completely worth it. Let me know your thoughts. And this is how they turn out. We have reached the airport and the immigration line was huge. But now that we're finally done with it, I'm gonna end the vlog here and I'm gonna start a new vlog. I am trying to vlog the trip. I hope I do a good job. You'll see, I'll try to vlog as much as possible. And yeah, this is how my hair color looks right now. I am really liking it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.